Okay, Fáilte ceach the ceathair, lesson 4. Remember, this is about speaking Irish, so you have to speak out loud. If you're embarrassed speaking in front of your partner or kids or whatever, tell them to feck off, right? You need to be able to say these words out loud, otherwise the whole process isn't going to work. Whenever I ask you a question, pause the video. So don't be washing the dishes, you can't do it with wet hands, right? Pause the video, predict what you think the answer is going to be, and then you can unpause and hear the way I say it. And then you can copy that or fix what you said or do whatever. But that's the thing, it's not listen and repeat, it's listen and predict. That's how it works. It activates all the right neurons to get you automating, to be able to speak without having to think too hard about it. That's the idea. So where were we? Can you remember how to ask, have you Guinness? Do you have Guinness? Yeah. And will Guinness ugget? And will Guinness ugget? And the answer, I have. Ta. That's all there is to it. What about, have you got milk? And will buanya ugget? And will buanya ugget? Have you got milk? Can you say, I'd like a pint of milk, please? Bhfuailim pinta buanya le de hull. Bhfuailim pinta buanya le de hull. Just ask again, have you got Guinness? Will Guinness ugget? Yes. Ta. I'd like a pint of Guinness, please. Bhfuailim pinta Guinness le de hull. Now, would you offer someone, try and offer someone a pint of Guinness? Bhfuailiat pinta Guinness. Good stuff. Now offer them, no, stop. Don't offer them anything yet. Wait till it said no. So, just do that again. Would you like a pint of Guinness? Bhfuailiat pinta Guinness. I wouldn't. Nearby. That's it. Nearby. Well done. And now I offer them a wee cup of tea. A wee cup of tea. Bhfuailiat cup and bug tea. Go my. And this time they say, I would. Bhfuai. Bhfuai. Good stuff. Now, you're going to ask, with milk? Can you remember that? Le buanya. Le buanya. And now you want to ask, have you got sugar? Sugar. Have you sugar? And will sucre ugget? And will sucre ugget? Good stuff. Maybe you want to offer someone sugar. How would you say that? Would you like sugar? Bhfuailat sucre. Good. And they're going to say, I wouldn't. Nearby. I've got sugar. To sucre ugam. Would you like milk? Bhfuailat buanya. I wouldn't. Nearby. I've got milk. Ta buanya ugam. Ask, have you got whiskey? And will ishka ba ugget? I'd like a small glass of whiskey. Bhfuailim glinne vug ishka ba. Just say small glass. Glinne vug. Good. How would you say a big glass? Glinne war. Can you say, would you like a big glass of milk? Bhfuailiat glinne war buanya. Bhfuailiat glinne war buanya. Now, we're going to think of how to say what today, as in what have you got? And that's KJ, or what would you like? So obviously the thing you would think is KJ Erwailat, because Erwailat is would you like something, so KJ Erwailat. That's not how it works. Good thinking, but wrong. It's KJ Bewailat. So just repeat that. KJ Bewailat. Okay? KJ Bewailat. So, if you're offering someone a cup of tea, would you like a cup of tea? Erwailat cup and tea. Good. And they say, nearby. I wouldn't. How do you then ask them, well, what would you like? KJ Bewailat. And now they say, I'd like a wee cup of coffee. Bewailium cup and bug coffee. Please. Le Dahul. Good stuff. What have you got then is still using KJ. Can you figure out how to say, what have you got? KJ ta agat. And that's it. So we had ta and agat before. So KJ ta agat. What have you got? KJ ta agat. So ask someone, do you have Guinness? Will Guinness agat? Níl. No. Do you have whiskey? Will Ishkaba agat? Have them say no. How did they say no? Níl. Good. What have you got? Kje agat? I have milk. Tbuanya agam. How would you say, I have milk and water? Tbuanya agus ishka agam. Say, I have Guinness and whiskey. Ta Guinness agus ishkaba agam. Can you ask someone, what would you like? Kje Bewailat. Say, I'd like a wee cup of coffee with milk, please. Bewailium cup and bug coffee le buanya le dahul. Now ask, would you like sugar? Erwailat sucre. Say, I wouldn't. No. Nearby. Say, I've got sugar. To sucre agam. Good. How would you ask someone, what would you like? Kje Bewailat. And I ask, well, what have you got? Kje agat? I have Guinness and whiskey. Ta Guinness agus ishkaba agam. I'd like a big pint of Guinness. Bewailium pinta more Guinness, please. Le Dahul. And a small glass of whiskey. Agus glinne vug ishkaba. Now, how would you say, have you got chips? Will scalagi agat? Or have you got a burger? Will burger agat? Can you say, I'd like a burger with chips, please? Bewailium burger le scalagi le dahul. If you want to say burger agus scalagi, that's grand. Can you say, what have you got? Kje agat? Kje agat? I've got chips. The scalagi agam. Would you like chips? Or Erwailat scalagi? I wouldn't. Nearby. But I'd like a burger. Bhfuilm burger. I'd like a big burger and a pint of Guinness. Bhfuilm burger mór agus pint of Guinness. So, I think that'll do for now. We haven't introduced that much new stuff in this video. Basically just Kajay, but we've done a lot of practice. It's that repetition of different variations. That's what locks it into your brain. So keep coming back. It really works best if you do these in order. So we'll try and get a link to the next one put up somewhere. Slán.